Shot. It comes out of my trick hole. All Gatlians have a different kind of trick hole. Mine does this. Boy, you are learning a lot today, aren't you? Yeah, we can't get inside that lug locks without something really sharp. Oh, that's a lug locks over there. There's usually some good loot inside, but we need some kind of sharp device to open it. Yes! Oh my god, I could do this all day. Doesn't this fucking rule? God, I love spewing big gloopy globs. Hold up, don't shoot. I got an idea. It's another trick up my little slimy sleeve. Try hitting him with my glob shot. Take your time and aim right. Oh, crap. You know what to do, Cap. Do you need any help aiming? Come on, you got this. Just keep it steady and aim. My glob shot is my signature thing. All right, you're having some trouble. That's fine. Listen, just keep trying until you get it. You know, I'm gonna be patient because it's my cool glob shot. Oh crap! Try again. Come on. Do you need any help aiming? All right. You're having some trouble. That's fine. Listen, just keep trying until you get it. You know, I'm gonna be patient because it's my cool glob shot. Come on, you got this. Just keep it steady and aim. My glob shot is my signature thing. Whoa, perfect shot. You fucking nailed it. How sick was that? Whew, okay, I gotta recharge. It doesn't take too long, but it's a little longer when there's enemies nearby. You know, my body gets too tense. It's like trying to piss when someone's watching, you know? Oh, that's a lug locks over there. There's usually some good loot inside, but we need some kind of sharp device to open it. Oh shit, here come more guys. Go nuts. Use my glove shot and then just shoot them in the air and juggle them, and it's gonna look sick, I promise. Keep shooting them while they're in the air. You can juggle them, and it does more damage, and it looks cool too. How many of these assholes do they have? Sorry, yeah, no, my glove shot takes a little longer to recharge when we're in combat. My body's all tense during a fight, you know? It's like my muscles aren't loose. It's just, it takes longer to recharge. You've been squished.
We're not weak, are we? I feel like we might just be... Please don't kill me, please!
You shot it. Looks like he was die clean only.
Hey, careful with the merch.
Whoa, hold up a bit. Let's listen.
Lined up and everything. They're gonna be here any minute. Just patient.
Oi, fuck you! I'm sick of this! I want to tear through someone's guts!
Oh, I think they're talking about Gene's knife.
Ah, fuck you!
Got it, freak. We've had enough of your bullshit.
Yeah, it's your fault Stevulax is dead. I I was in love with him. Did you know that? I loved him, and now his head's cut off.
Just the way it should be. Fuck him.
Hey, guess what? I have another secret trick you can use. The power of negotiation. Let's try reasoning with these guys. Knock on the door. Tell me how you want to play this.
Fuck you insufferable fucking cunts. When I'm loose, you're not gonna want to see what kind of shit's gonna happen.
Fuck you! I should just toss you into sludge.
Baby, ignore. Huh? Who's there? Who are you?
Hey! Hello there, friends.
Oh, I think it's the buyer.
Hey, are you the buyer?
Yeah, we're here to, buy a knife. You guys are selling a knife, yeah?
Oh, perfect. You're really late. We were starting to get worried.
Just go with it. No shooting.
All right, here's the product. A genuine talking knife. I gotta be honest with you, he's a real piece of shit.
He's extremely violent. He basically only talks about wanting to kill people in very disturbing ways.
Fuck you. I'm gonna carve out your anal cavity. Gonna make it 3 times as big. Your shit's just gonna drop right out of there.
See what I'm talking about?
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Oh, fuck yes, thank you. Pleased to meet you. I'm Knifey. Now use me. Let me fucking stab this cocksucker in. Oh, fuck yes. More. I need more stabbing. Hey, you, listen. Point me at your raw, fleshy little tummy and jab me right into there. Let's get all those guts torn up. Let's see that fucking red goop spill out. I can't stop now.
That's a pass for us. Is this really the knife Gene was talking about?
Gene? Did you just say Gene? Okay, change of plans. Bring me to Gene so I can fucking decapitate him!
Wait, what? Why? He sent us to rescue you.
Oh, that's rich. There's no way I'm forgiving him, though, for leaving me with that fucking Nine-Torg. He's dead to me!
Huh? You know Nine-Torg? We're trying to kill her.
Oh, perfect! Finally, we're on the same page! Let's kill Nine-Torg, then Gene!
Okay, definitely Nine-Torg, but let's put a pin in the whole Gene thing. How do we get out of here?
With my tether ability! I'm more than just a knife, you racist! I can tether too! Look up and latch on! Yeah, there we go! Fucking cool, right? You gotta use me to swing across this sludge. Oh, fuck yeah! Not as good as stabbing, but still pretty good.
Well, all right. Where to next?
The Sludge Works processing plant. Nine-Torg was talking about some traitor she had to deal with. Probably another one of her clones. 5-Torg or 6-Torg or whatever. I don't know. There's too many now. There's too many Torgs.
How many clones are there?
Who the fuck cares? Stop thinking so hard and just look for the big Sludge Works sign. I want to stab somebody.
Off we go!
Oh, lug locks! Use me! I can open those fuckers up real good! And
So you, mentioned that Gene gave you to Nine-Torg?
Cave tried gamble me away in a game of space poker. That sack of shit. Stab all 3 of his fucking eyes. Even the wonky one. Especially the wonky one. Hate that one.
What happened to Gene? Didn't he used to be a hero?
Yeah, used to be. Hard to tell these days, right? Good. Oh, they look stabbable. Use me on them. I want blood. Oh, yes! Oh, do this every time! Never fire your Gatlian again! Please, just use me for killing now. Making a knifey only any % run.
Oh, hey, there's some Gatterall. That'll fill me back up. Do you not see the Gatterall? You use your scanner. Oh, thank Jesus. Okay, feed me that Gatterall, baby. Come on, put it in my little mouth. Feed me the Gatterall. Oh, Mamma mia, that's the stuff. Oh, Sludge Works. Nine-Torg should be here.
The legendary ant killer approaches. And obtain the fearsome knife of death.
Oh, brother.
Fight, my ant brethren. Fight for your lives and avenge our fallen.
Oh no.
feel really powerful. Do you feel powerful? We're unstoppable. Is this bloodlust? Am I feeling bloodlust right now?
Oh, yeah, mate, that's what I'm talking about. Now you're getting it.
Oh man, I guess I am. Nine Torg must be close. Let's ride this wave and kill her too. I want to fuck her up real good. Fuck, I don't want to die like this or at all. You having fun?
The ant killer is soaked in the fluid of our desert where they shed skin. Protect my
Let's ride this wave. Come on, kill.
Kill, yes, yes, kill, murder. Me there. I think I got caught up in the moment or something, but hey, good work, team. Let's go get Nine Torg.
Any last words, Five Torg?
Is that Nine Torg talking?
Fuck off! I've always said you were the worst, Torg!
You know, Seven Torg said the same thing. Right before I killed her.
Damn you!
And you're next.
You got this. Come on, admit it. We're hurting you.
No! Fuck you!
Wow, we're actually hitting her.
Yeah, bitch!
Jesus, it's so gross you even went in there.
Ugh! That sludge tastes like shit!
Yeah, so stop diving into it. Shit, she's filling the place with sludge. Stay in the air.
Better not call in!
Hey, I'm still here. You can still use me if you want. I can deflect attacks. Did you know that? I'm not just all about stabbing. Well, I'm mostly all about stabbing and tethering, but I can also deflect attacks. I'll slice them to fucking death. I'll cut their fucking heads off. I'll rip their limbs. I'll fucking do everything. Oh, I'm gonna fucking cut right into them. I'll cut their fucking asshole off and eat it.
Are you even a
Real bounty hunter.
fat? That clearly hurts! Surprise! Flesh bag!
Ow, I know this is hurting you too. So get the fuck out of this shit.
Torg, kill my shitty clone! I'm rooting for you!
Would you just die already? God, we gotta get you some help.
Ooh, incoming laser!
Bet you're just as nice and squishy on the inside as the rest of them. Let me at it, bounty hunter.
Wow, well, we're having our first real boss fight together. Oh shit, why would you go in here? What's wrong with you?
I'm the strongest out of all the Torg clones. I'm impressed you made it this far. My ant soldiers are extremely strong.
Honestly, I don't think they were. We're new at this and it was pretty easy to kill them all. Take that!
It tickles in a painful way. Haha. Did someone order a laser? Oh, what's it gonna be? Vertical or horizontal? What's it gonna be? Jump or a sidestep? You know how much I hate you? This much! If I'm going out, I'm taking you with me!
Just stay alive. I think she's basically done for. What are you doing? Get us out of here! Come on!
Hey, nice work killing Nine Torg.
Thanks! Wow, we killed a bounty. How do you feel, bounty hunter? I feel pretty good. I really didn't know if we'd be able to pull it off.
All right, it's time.
Time for what?
Time to carve out a piece of her. I'm thinking we go with a full...
Oh, God, I can't look. I can't.
Oh, fucking hell, she's a gusher.
Just taking like a fingernail, some spit, maybe a blood sample.
Yeah, sure, could have, I guess.
Hey, I'm Five Torg. Thank you for killing my evil clone. I don't mind if you mutilate her corpse, really. It's fine. You did such a good job. That was like off the hook.
You're not gonna take over and end up being just as evil as Nine Torg, right?
Oh, don't worry. Things are going to be a lot different around here.
So no more crime then?
Oh, not that different then. Technically, all of us Torgs are evil clones, so I'm still going to do a bunch of crime. But we're cool.
Huh?
Far as I'm concerned, you're a friend of the Torg family and welcome here anytime. An honorary Torg. You can be 10 Torg. Now, if you'll excuse me, my day just became very full.
Are you gonna be okay if we just kind of leave you hanging up there?
Oh, yeah, I can get down just fine. Hanging from ropes feels nice for my species. Hey, it's good for our backs. I'm actually the one who put myself here. Thanks for the rescue. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna hang here for a bit. Yeah, next time you come back, I'll be off being really busy running everything and, doing stuff. 'Cause, yeah.
Fuck, I got some on me! All right, let's go home and turn in our first bounty. Hey, that was some pretty solid bounty hunting back there. I mean, don't get too cocky about it or anything, but it was pretty cool.
Yeah, not bad. That was some good killing. And I'm somewhat of a killing expert, actually.
I can't wait to see Gene's face when he sees we pulled this off. Let's head back up through the slums tunnel. I don't know why that guy even bothered attacking us. I almost feel bad.
Oh, you're back. Hey, yeah, my legs.
Wow, look at that stamina. You must have been on track team or something.
Hey, fuck you! I'm still pissed at you.
Hey, I hope you had a good time in the slums. Come visit any time.
Just don't talk to me.
Chips that we put in our elderly citizens have once again backfired, this time making them far, far hornier than ever. However, there's something plaguing our city far worse than any of those issues.
Hello, I'm Darren Mindbender. Everyone, gather.
Huh, why's the door closed?
To do a really crazy trick.
What?
Who is it? You got my Munch Dash delivery?
What? No, it's us.
Oh, shit. Really? Good job. Oh, hold on.
Is that Gene? Okay, get ready. I want you to stab me right into his fat little belly.
A deck of cards.
Get the fuck.
And one of the cards with a signature.
You're like grabbing at me.
My arms just come.
What the hell, Gene?
He installed new locks because he assumed you get killed. He keeps saying it's his house now.
What? No. I just took the liberty of upgrading your security. Did you really kill Nine Torg, though?
Yeah, we actually did.
Well. Didn't think you had it in you. I'm really blown away. I'll be honest with you. I expected you to die.
Oh, thank you.
So, what did it feel like, killing 9 Torg?
Look, I gotta be honest, it felt good. It felt great. I mean...
Hey, Gene, lift up that shirt and expose your soft little belly for me. I'm coming in hot.
Yeesh. Forgot how psycho he was. Why don't you just, hold on to him for now?
Oh, sure, yeah, we'll keep him far away from you.
Yeah, thanks. Now, go turn in your bounty at the Bounty 5000. I got it all set up for you.
No, seriously, let me stab him.
Well, there you go. You're a real bounty hunter now.
Huh, would you look at that? I guess we're really doing it.
Yeah, I didn't expect you to get your footing so quick. I don't even have any leads on any G3 bounties. You ever, serious about going after them, huh?
You bet. We'll take them all down, including Garmantuous.
Well, you're welcome to try, and if you do, you might want to go to the pawn shop and buy back the Dodge unit I pawned off. Forgot to tell you about it. Go scrounge up some pesos and buy that, or whatever else tickles your fancy. I'll have some G3 bounties ready for you by the time you get back.
Sure, sounds good. Thanks, Gene. Just maybe next time don't assume we're just gonna die.
Right. Got it.
Hello and welcome to Human TV, your #1 choice for the scariest human movies fresh off the newly...
You're really gonna need that Dodge unit from the pawn shop. The suit's not really complete without it.
Andor, the...
Look, I know Mister keeps annoying, but you gotta put up with him and buy back that Dodge unit.
You sure you're not tired? Hey, Gene said you might have the old Dodge unit that goes with this bounty suit.
Oh, yeah, we got that. Why? You want it? I want it too, so it'll cost you.
Yeah, no, we know how buying stuff works.
You having fun up there, dipwad, hopping around on all our shelves?
All right, there you go. 1 Dodge unit. Have a nice life.
All right, we got it. Let's try this bad boy out and then head back to Gene.
Hey, happy 2nd anniversary of not buying anything again.
Yeah, good thing you like running so much, huh?
Okay, great. You got the Dodge unit. So how about it? Think you're ready for the big leagues, kid?
What do you mean?
The big league, the G3 cartel. That's the next step, taking down their head officers.
Okay, you're positive that we're ready for that?
Yeah, whatever. Might as well try. But they won't be pushovers like 9 Torg, so, well, to be honest, I don't care if you live or die. You know that. You know my whole deal. But, hey, it's your funeral. So go check out the Bounty 5000 whenever you're ready. Got 2 G3 leads for you right now. Krubus and Douglas. You can pick which one you want to let kill you first.
Are you fucking kidding me? We had to get here when there's a goddamn sandstorm going on, bunch of fucking fucking sand in my eyes? No, you got a helmet on. No, I don't. Oh, don't mind us, dead luglocks. We're just rifling around in your guts real quick. Hee hee ha. Look, I'm getting sand in my mouth. You fucking helmet-wearing piece of shit. You can't relate to this. Why don't I have a helmet? You're getting me the helmet upgrade the second we're done with this shit. Oh shit, Greebles. Look at them go. They eat up broken ship parts. Does it taste good? No idea. I'm not about to give it a taste test. So fucking dangerous out here with this fucking weather. You never know what kind of shit's gonna fly into your face with the wind and the sand, but we should be able to make it to Dregtown if we just, trudge through it. Yeah, the G3 don't officially run things out here, but, well, unofficially, yeah, they run things out here, and with an iron fist. Damn, this crashed ship, I'm telling you, full of ghosts. Oh, I think that's Old Town in the distance. That was the first settlement out here, pre-G3. We gotta pass through there to get to Douglas. Whoa, careful! Hey, hold on. Maybe we can use that to our advantage. Hey, I'm sure this goes without saying, but that green stuff is toxic and will hurt you, so don't go into it. All right, let's see. All right, a big desert adventure. It's a bounty hunter's way. How you liking it?
I am so proud of you, son. You look so good, son.
Nice shot, bounty hunter. Yeah, this is probably a lot of fun for you, but I've been on a lot of adventures, and I can tell you firsthand that this is pretty lame. So let's get to the good stuff, all right?
3 for 1 deal.
Hey!
This week.
All right, I can see Old Town. It's just across this bridge.
Beams, and I'll tell you what. Support beams.
Whoa,
tough guy. Hey, look, walk wherever you want. This is the fucking Mac and Cheese Brothers construction site. We ain't done here, but you gotta be careful. Whoa.
Hey, calm down. What the hell? How do you want to handle this? Maybe we just, move past
Are you
them.
kidding me? You think you could just walk up into a Mac and Cheese Brothers construction site like you're some sort of fucking Jesus Christ and just fucking walk around like you own the place? There's a goddamn bottomless pit over here, asshole. You think you could survive that? Falling through a fucking bottomless pit down to the bottom? I don't think so. We got work to do. Okay, dipshit? Get the fuck out of here, asshole. Hey, fuck you. You piece of shit. You walk in here, you're pissing me off. Me and my Mac and Cheese Brothers were pissed. You know, we're getting fucking angry. We're hot-headed over here. We don't like this shit. We don't like when somebody walks in and stomps all over our fucking garden, so to speak, metaphorically. This is our fucking garden, and you're walking all over the fucking plants the seeds we just planted, you son of a bitch. You know, we're busy over here. You fucking piece of shit. You better fucking run away. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, what's your big deal, you? What's your big deal, bro? What the hell you doing? Oh, hey, idiot, nice jumping.
Holy shit, those guys are intense. You know, you could have killed them, right? I would have been fine with that, I think. All right, fine. They can send as many as they want. Who cares?
Wow, look at that big shot platforming all over the place like some tough guy.
The fucking asshole
you.
tether.
What did you do? I was trying not to slip and fall into that bottomless pit, you fucking asshole.
Okay, yeah, I can help with this.
Whew, all right. We're here. We made it. Okay, Mamma Mia.
Watch your step!
Christmas morning. All right, Old Town. We just move through this place and we'll get to Douglas.